How to manually provision the Polycom SoundPoint IP 550 phone to work with 8x8 phone service. In order to work with 8x8 phone service, your Polycom phone must have a valid device certificate. To find your device certificate status, press the menu key. Use the navigation keys to scroll down to Status. Use the Select key to select Status, then select Platform. Select the Phone option. Scroll down to Device Certificate. If the message says Device Certificate Factory Installed, your phone is supported on 8x8 service. If the message says Device Certificate Not Installed, Invalid, or if there is no device certificate message at all, then the phone is not supported on 8x8 service. Getting your phone ready for provisioning. Press the menu key. Use the navigation keys to scroll down to Settings. Scroll down and use the Select key to select Advanced. Enter the password 456 and press the Enter soft key. Note, if 456 does not work, please contact the party who provided you with the phones to obtain the administrator password. Once in, select Admin Settings. Scroll down to select Reset to Defaults. Then scroll down and select Reset to Factory. Confirmation will display. Select Yes. The phone will reboot. After the phone is rebooted, check your firmware. To see which firmware version is on the phone, go to Menu, Status, Platform, Application, Main. Remember what firmware version you have for your phone. This information is needed to correctly change your phone's server address. To provision your Polycom phone, follow these steps. Press the Menu key. Use the navigation keys to scroll to Settings. Scroll to Advanced and select. Enter the password 456 and press the Enter soft key. Once in, select Admin Settings. Select Network Configuration. Select Provisioning Server. Scroll down to Server Type and press Select. Then scroll right to select HTTPS. Then press OK. Then scroll down to select Server Address to enter the correct address for your phone. Enter the following URL based on the firmware version. For phones on version 4 firmware, use the following URL. For phones on version 3 firmware, use the following URL. Use the dial pad to enter in the server address. Use the star button for periods and slashes. Once complete, select OK. When you return to the Provisioning Server menu, arrow left to the Network Config menu. Arrow down and select SNTP address. Enter POOL.ntp.org. Select OK. Press the left arrow key. Save the configuration. Your phone will begin to reboot after a few seconds. Your phone is now configured. Activating your phone. Once your phone is ready to activate, you will see this screen. Retrieve your activation code. To activate your phone, you will need an activation code. Your 8x8 support representative can provide it, or you can retrieve it yourself. Log into your 8x8 online account manager. Select Phone System from the top navigation bar. Then select View All Extensions. Click on the Activate Device link next to the extension that you wish to activate. Copy down the activation code that appears in the pop-up screen. Enter your activation code. Pick up the phone handset or press the speakerphone button and listen to the recorded instructions. Enter the activation code that corresponds with the extension number you are activating, then press pound. After entering the code, you should hear the successful activation message. Please allow your telephone to restart. After restarting, you should see the extension number on the screen and be able to make phone calls.